Look at this, they finished the outer bank. Hopefully we'll start to see some trains. Hyperia construction update. Look at this, they finished the outer bank. And the transfer track as well. This definitely was not here last time. Goes all the way into the maintenance shed. Hopefully we'll start to see some trains soon. There's just two random bits of supports there. I'm not sure if they're new or not, but they're there. So yeah, that's it for the UK's new tallest and fastest coaster. I'll see you next week. Bye!